A month of selling on Stellar just completed a legal 5-wave decline, and it died 9/100ths of a cent above the floor. First Stellar read on this channel. The day is up 2%, the relative strength index sits in the mid-50s, and price closed back above both moving averages this morning. The frame first. From 25.2 cents, Stellar fell to 16.88, the window low 5 weeks ago. The bounce after it stopped less than half a cent short of the golden retracement 21.57, then rolled over. The weekly says why that floor matters. Price has stepped down all month onto a flat shelf near 17 cents, while the record near 80 cents sits years overhead. Now the decline. 5 waves of 21.57. A first leg to 19.75, a bounce to 20.76, a third to 17.79, a week of drift, then the fifth into 16.97. Here, the microscope comes out. A fourth wave may not enter the first wave's territory, and this one missed it by 11/100ths of a cent. The pause topped 19.64, the first leg bottomed 19.75. The rule passed by a hair, but it passed. Slide 2. The fifth wave died at 16.97, 9/100ths of a cent above the floor. Sellers spent a complete structure and never printed 16.88. In 5 weeks, that level has not broken once. A finished 5 changes the burden. The decline is structure and it is complete. A correction of it is now the working read. The averages overhead were checkpoint 1, already taken. The map overhead is another slide. The first graduation of the fall, 18.73, and the old pivot at 18.76, 3/100ths of a cent apart, one shelf. Past it the half at 19.27, then the golden. Below, one line is the whole story. Under 16.88, the shelf that held this chart for 5 weeks is gone, and the base label is retired. A finished 5 down does not forbid that outcome. So, the read. A complete 5 down, a floor that never broke, and a first test overhead 3/100ths of a cent wide. Educational analysis, not advice. More Stellar ahead.